Mraro oqindeliswa kwegezi enarheni le uthinte kumba amaSewula Afrika wabetha kabuhlungu nabosomabhizinisi. Lokhu-ke kugcine kwenza ukuthi mhlapha-nje kuvulwe isikhundla sikangqongqotjhe wegezi kwamenyezelwa uDorh Kgosientsho Ramokgopa njengongqongqotjhe wegezi njengombana inarha le besele ikhamba esigabeni sesine sokuqindeliswa kwegezi. Njenganje-ke urhulumende uthethe isiqundo sokuqeda ihlekelele le ngombana batsho unamahlelo okuqeda umraro lo. Begodi uthi sele kubonakala ukuthi amahlelo lawo azokusebenza.
Our decision to terminate this national state of disaster is motivated by the fact that the number of measures that have been taken to achieve the objectives on relieving the impact have been able to assist in getting our systems and processes in place to ensure that government is ready to deal with the challenges as they pursue.
Ngqongqotjhe wegezi uDorh Kgosientsho Ramokgopa uthuragela phambili nokwenza umsebenzi wakhe oqinisekisa ukuthi uphungula umraro oqindeliswa kwegezi enarheni le. Mhlapha-nje uRamokgopa uthome ijima lokuvakatshela iintetshi eziphehla igezi enarheni le zombelele ngomnqopho wokwenza umehluko nokulungisa umthangalasisekelo weentetshi eziphehla igezi.
The Minister of Electricity continues to be seized with that responsibility of reducing the severity of load shedding and it's the regularity, and that's why you have seen that we have done extensive visits to the various power stations of Eskom. We've got a better appreciation at the very granular levels on what is sufficient or what it takes for us to be able to respond comprehensively. And as the Minister has indicated, these actions are meant to serve to, if you like, accelerate our efforts to deliver in accordance with the energy action plan.
Ukuqindeliswa kwegezi kuphule izinga labantu abangasebenzi ke bevele liphezulu kwabuye kwalimaza nomnotho wenarha le kuyaphambili naphezulu kokuthi bewuvele ubogaboga. Amahlelo kahulumende abekweko la sele azokubonakala ngomsebenzi wawo ukuthi ayayihlangula iSewula Afrika na.